In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your GTA Online cannot sell cars. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So there are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first thing you want to do is check your daily sell limit. You can only sell 7 cars per 24 real hours, by the way. If you have reached your limit, then you have no other options but to wait for 24 hours. Also, go ahead and wait after buying or modifying as well. Wait at least 10 to 15 minutes after buying or heavily modifying a car. If that doesn't work, simply go ahead and try switching your session completely and sell in a new session. You can also go ahead and sell your cars at LS Car Meet, which you can simply go ahead and look at your map. You can also check for glitch car. You might need to simply go ahead and remove extra mods, F1 wheels, Yankton plates, and try again later. If that doesn't work, then you might need to simply go ahead and use a stable internet connection or make sure that your net type is open. If nothing works, simply go ahead and uninstall and reinstall the game or even contact support. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.